Hey Foxes, welcome back to another video. And today, me and kittyfire557 are going to be doing a challenge. It's called the Look Challenge, where we pick a theme and try to dress the best from that theme. So, the first theme will be summer. So, let's get into it. I'm going to switch into another animal. I'm going to switch into this fox. So, you have to dress summer-like. I think I still have the sunset. That's called? Yes, I do. I have the sunset. Oh. I know I have the rest of the set too, so. Yes, I do. I don't think I have the tail though. I might not. Hopefully I do. And then, do I have the tail? I do! So now I'm gonna pick the colors. And then I think I'm good. Vote in the comments below, what's your favorite look? Is it Kittyfire's? Or is it mine? Is food! So I might have an idea, but I think Kitty will do the same exact thing. So maybe I can do turkey, or I'll do a block of cheese, because I know that Kitty will do. She will do the trend that we made up called bread cubes. I know she will do it. So we have to make it look like I'm a piece of cheese. Oh, she didn't do it. Okay. But here is my block of cheese. And Gothic Phantom wanted to join, so we're just waiting on her. Okay. So now, you can vote in the comments who won for the second round. And the last theme is Phantom. So let's get dressed like a phantom. Oh no, we don't have anything phantom-y like. But I have another idea. This is kind of like a phantom. So we'll do that. So now, who won round number 3? Vote in the comments. Bye, Foxes. Hope you enjoyed this video.